Clean the steam wand after use. Wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth. Direct the steam wand back over the drip tray and set the steam dial to the steam position for a few seconds. This will clear any remaining milk inside the wand. If any holes in the steam wand tip become blocked, these should be cleaned using the steam tip cleaning tool, as even partially blocked holes may affect the performance of the steam wand. To unlock, use the spanner in the middle of the steam wand cleaning tool to unscrew the tip. Soak the tip in hot water before using the cleaning tool to unblock. Then, replace the tip back onto the steam wand. Then turn the steam dial to the steam position to purge the steam wand after cleaning.